welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're brand new, stopping by for the very first time. My name is Sonia and you are watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today's video is a very special video because it is a challenge that is hosted by my very dear friend Sandra from the Schwann's Nest. I've known Sandra for many years off YouTube, and it's great that we have joined forces here on YouTube. And her co-host is Jamie from Simple Roots, Simple Living, and I've known Jamie now for a while here on YouTube. So they have asked us to DIY a Christmas garland. I like to DIY when I do my Christmas garlands because I always want to make them look high-end. I like to use a surface that I'm going to be placing them on and doing it right on it. So I will be doing it on my fireplace in my master bedroom. I'm not going to decorate the fireplace. I am just going to DIY my garland on it. All of my supplies have come from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama, so they're very budget friendly. I can give you kind of a ballpark what the whole project had cost me, but I have some sort of an idea. I want it to be like red and white theme with green. All of my garlands are always green base because I love green for Christmas. I'm going to start with my base and then kind of build up on it, and I'll let you know where everything is from. I am not gluing anything on. I'm simply adding different pricks in because next year I might change my mind. So without further ado, let's get started. But one more thing. So like I said, this is a challenge, so both of their channels will be linked down below, as well as the playlist, so make sure you go check it out. And I do apologize, my dog is my assistant today and he's making a lot of noise in the background. So let's get started.
Garland that I picked up at Dollarama for $4. I really like how simple it is and how droopy the branches are and how frosted the berries are. So I just ended up spreading it up. Now I have to report that it wasn't the greatest quality, but I guess at $4 because the little branches kept falling off on me.
Downstairs to see what might be under the Christmas tree. Oh, can I please have that back?
It's exactly the way I wanted. I use these green pecks with long leaves. I do not know what they're called. I use them for my fall decor and really like the way it looked. And I know it might not be very conventional to use these, but I did love the way it turned out. I was thinking about putting one in the middle, but then decided against it. Then I followed with some lamb's ears. Now these, so the droopy greenery came from Dollarama, and I think they were about $2. I can't quite remember because I bought them back in fall. But these lamb's ears I've had now for about 2 years, and they did come from Hobby Lobby, but they were very inexpensive. I think I got a bunch for $7 after I used a coupon. And I'm only using 2, and I think bunch had about 5 of them or 6 of them. And then the boxwood leaves came from Dollarama. I think those were about $2. And I used 2 branches for that. And then I just spread and kind of try to mix up the branches so it stays nicely and secured together. And then I also wanted them to droop a little bit.
I once had as a boy that
Now these magnolia leaves are dried from last year, and I just break them off and stick them around. I love using magnolia leaves for decorating, and I love the fresh stuff, but the dry stuff works well for garlands and even for making like floral arrangements on your table. I think they're the color just and the texture of them just adds so much to anything you're using in it. And then I have this old berry bunch. I think I got like 10 years ago, and it was taped up and all sorts of stuff. So I decided just to take it apart and stick them in where I wanted. So this is where the really deep red color came from. And then I followed with the Dollar Tree white berries, I think they're called. I only had one branch of it, so I ended up spreading it, the 4 pieces that came from it throughout, and I think it turned out really good.
we all need more.
So I'm going to stop now because I know if I keep going, it's just going to be too much. I do love how this ended up looking, and I'm going to give you a little close-up of it all. And the different textures and colors, I think, just work so well together. So I'd like to thank Sandra and Jamie for hosting this challenge. I love participating in things like that where it's kind of a cross between a decorating and a DIY video. And make sure you are subscribed to my home channel if you want to see how this fireplace in my bedroom will end up looking once I'm finished decorating. That will come later. And make sure you're also subscribed to this channel because there are tons of other DIYs coming your way. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.